morning. It's Friday, September 26th. I'm getting ready to go to work, and then I take a train back up to Blois because this weekend is the last weekend we have the house there. I moved here 2 months ago, and because I found a job here, and so Nick had to ask for a mutation and then come here. He's coming here on Monday. So yeah, I've been living on camping equipment and old furniture from grandparents for the last 2 months. So I'm pretty happy. I get to have my whole kitchen and a table and a dishwasher, especially a dishwasher. See you on the other side of the France.
Un peu plus bol d'eau, s'il te plaît. Merci.
Parfait.
Un peu plus bol d'eau, s'il te plaît, merci.
Oh, mais sérieux?
Ah, je l'aurais mis dans l'autre sens.
Mais attendez, attendez. Non.
Voilà.
Oh, c'est pas bon, ça. Maintenant, on va la couleur.
Et qui le charge après?
On pourrait lui faire des trous. Il se respirer quand même.
Non, laisse les trous en dehors de ça. C'est bon?
Ouais.
Ah, c'est bien.
Allez, on s'écarte.
Tu l'as compris? On dirait un mec qui est en dessous.
Vous savez pas avoir scotché en dessous.
This is the end. I have the car completely packed with stuff we couldn't put on the truck or that we needed before. I have the remaining of our fridge. I'm gonna miss the birds, seeing them at the window, and yeah, this was a good time here. Hello, we're back. Why did you did that? You destroyed it. Why are you so mean? Why? Why?